All right, so this one came in as a referral. Robin hit me up after talking to Tad, said she had a few vent pipes that were leaking around the seals whenever it rained. Now, most people don't realize how fast a little leak around those pipes can start rotting the decking underneath the shingles. That's where we come in. Me and Andrew are headed out to Mont Belvieu right now to take care of it. Simple fix, 75 bucks a pipe, and it saves a homeowner thousands in damage later. That's what SkyClaim is all about, documenting, repairing, and preventing problems before they become claims. And we partner with Stronghold Roofing to make sure every repair meets the same standard as a full replacement. So yeah, another referral, another roof saved, and another neighbor taken care of the right way.
All right, we just got to the customer's house that has some pipe jacks that need to be sealed that were leaking. So we're just gonna do a quick inspection first of it real quick, and then we'll start sealing those up. Looks like it's back here is where we're getting the leak. This is really crappy, whoever did this. So you can see they put some sealant here, but it came off here. Still some over here, but look how jacked up all that is around there.